All right, what's up, everybody? We're here with another website quick tip for you, and today we're going to be talking about your About page. Now, the most common mistake with the About page is people think that this is actually about them, and the truth is it's not. The About page is not about you at all. In fact, it's more about your client than it is about you. So we want to use this About page to show your client that you understand where they are. We want them to understand that you are a real human, but you also get them. And so we're going to build authority and empathy, and we're going to tell your story through the lens of being helpful to them. The other thing you really want to include on your About page is pictures of you. So we used to kind of think in marketing people wanted to buy from big organizations, big nameless, faceless companies, but that's not true anymore, especially after the pandemic. People are really craving that human connection. So it's really important that as we're telling your story on your About page, we have pictures of your face, not stock images, and we really want to pull those human connections, that human emotion into this page. So let's take a look here at Julia's About page. Now, Julia, the podcast teacher, you've seen her before on these videos. We're gonna probably see her again. She's so fun. So the first thing you see when you land on her About page is this really animated picture of her, which just kind of draws you in and makes you feel like you want to be her friend. And then as we scroll down here, you have her story. But the moral of the story here is that she's bringing her love for technology and teaching to you. And it helps understand, give relevance to her story, why people should care about it. As you see throughout the page, we have beautiful pictures of her smiling, more of her story, a call to action. You always on every page want to include call to actions. So make sure it makes sense, but always have that call to action button available. Then we have a testimonial. Then this is a super fun section that I highly recommend you include in your About page, is a fun fact section. Okay, for Julia's website, we worked on a favorites section. This doesn't have to necessarily just be your favorites, but things like, are you a dog person or a cat person? What are you drinking? What's your favorite food, favorite vacation spot? An unpopular opinion you have, anything you can do to make you more relatable and give connection points. Another super easy way to do this is just by talking about your location, where you grew up, where you are currently, and it'll draw people to you because they'll have something similar. They'll have something in common with you. So here again on Julia's website, you see my favorites. You have her favorite day, her favorite TV show, her favorite trip, her favorite food, her favorite books, entertainment, hobbies, drinks. And all of these things just really help us get a picture of who Julia is. So when we're hiring Julia, we know we're getting this broader picture of this person. And maybe I look at this and I say, wow, I also love jigsaw puzzles, and now I have a connection point. So use this section to really show off who you are, show off your human side, and help other people relate and connect to you. And then we're going to finish off the About page with a really solid, really clear call to action. Okay, you made it all the way through this page. Let's work together. Now you know a little bit more about me. You know why I am the most qualified one for this job. So let's work together. Let's build a podcast together. So these are all really important elements that if you implement today on your About page, it's going to make a huge difference. So your homework for today is to go through your About page. Make sure you have pictures of your face. Make sure that the copy is speaking to the client, and make sure that your story is framed in a way that it makes sense for them. All right, you guys, see you next time.